Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for Gmail. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to turn emails directly into actionable Asana tasks without ever leaving your inbox, helping you stay organized and on top of your work. To get started, head over to gmail.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll see a sidebar with various icons. At the bottom of this sidebar, you'll notice a small plus button. Go ahead and click on it. This button opens up the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you'll find all kinds of useful add-ons and integrations to enhance your Gmail experience. In the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Asana into this search bar and hit Enter. This will pull up the Asana add-on specifically designed for Gmail integration. Once you see Asana in the results, click on it to view more details about the add-on. You'll then see an Install button. Click on Install to begin adding Asana to your Gmail account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to continue with the installation. Click Continue and you'll be prompted to select which Google account you want to install the add-on to. Choose the account you're currently using. After selecting your account, you'll need to scroll down through the terms and permissions that Asana requires to function properly within Gmail. Once you've reviewed these, click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Now that the installation is complete, go back to your Gmail inbox and refresh your browser. This ensures that the new add-on loads properly and appears in your sidebar. Once refreshed, look at the right side panel again. You should now see the Asana icon among the other sidebar icons. Click on the Asana icon to open the add-on window. The Asana add-on will prompt you to log in. Click the Login button and enter your Asana account credentials. This step might require a few extra actions, so be prepared to click through a few agreement or continuation screens to fully connect your Asana account to Gmail. Make sure you complete each step thoroughly so the integration works seamlessly. Once you're fully logged in, you'll be able to create Asana tasks directly from your emails, assign them to projects, set due dates, and manage everything without switching between tabs. This integration streamlines your workflow significantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.